Hi friends, welcome back to Drops of Dopamine. Today I'm going to be showing you the products that I use to refill these containers. It's a question I've gotten a couple times now, so I just want to quickly show you. Also, again, just a reminder, if you're removing these, do not lose that spring that's in the inside or it will ruin your touchland container. Go back to my original video, I'll link it below. It's only 4 minutes. It goes into more detail about where the springs are. Here's the first thing you'll need for this video is a funnel. You can also use a syringe like in the old video. And then these essential oils are the other piece I use. I found these gallon size hand sanitizer spray, make sure it's a spray, from Dr. Bright. I'll be honest, I can't tell the difference between the two scents. They just both smell like alcohol. This is where the essential oils come in. And I just like this spray. It's had really great reviews. It doesn't dry out your skin. So highly recommend for this project. Now, I want to talk a little bit about cost and why it's so important to know how to do things on your own. You can freeze to look, but essentially every refill I do going forward costs me about 43 cents. That's in comparison to the $10 to $16 per refill to get a new touchland container. Now, since they come in plastic containers and plastic bags, not only is this creating a lot of waste, but it's also creating a lot of waste in your budget. I am on a low spend, no spend, and debt-free journey this year, and that does not include spending a whopping $800 on touchland hand sanitizer. When I did the math on how much this would cost me, since I go through about a container per week, I had to look for a new solution, and that's how these videos came about. All right, let's get back to how I refill these and what I use. So the essential oils I showed you later, you're going to put into your container using your funnel. So just go ahead and drop those in there. Whether or not you're using the syringe or the funnel, I would suggest the funnel for the drops. 5 to 10 usually does the trick. Then I'm going to take my container with the funnel still intact. I'm going to put it under that pump for the hand sanitizer, and we're going to go ahead and just pump away and get that all in there. Once your essential oils and hand sanitizer solution are in the container, you can go ahead and replace that tubing. Again, this can look a little different for everyone depending on how it comes out. Then you can go ahead and put the lid back on the container, press it down really, really hard. Make sure you hear a click. Great, so we tested our product. It works, it's refilled, it's good to go for your next adventure. I do really want to quickly talk about what tools work best. If your tubing comes out like right here, you're going to want to use the funnel. The funnel is going to work perfectly. It's going to fill it fast. However, if your tubing is still in place like here and you just have that spring at the top, like in my example video, you're going to want to go for the syringe. I found when the tube is in and I use a funnel, it makes a really big mess and actually broke one of my touchland containers. So yeah, let me know what you think of this video. If you want to see more like it, I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks so much. Bye.